Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. Hey sis, what we're gonna make today? A bunny. Yes, today we're gonna make a bunny. First, let's make a carrot. Okay sis. Are you done sis? Yes. Now we're gonna make the leaves. It's gonna be zigzag, zigzag. I'm doing it now. Wow, they're so great. It's done, sis. Now we're gonna make bunny's hands. The bunny's hands? Okay, I'm starting to make it. And I'm also done. Me too. But not now. After hands, we need to make a big hump for the face. Okay, like this. Two small circles and one big circle. Yes, just like that. Now we're gonna make his cute little eyes. I'm now doing it because it's so cute. I'm gonna make it so beautiful. Are you done, sis? I think so. Yes. No, you're not done. I am. Then when you're done, you have to make the nose. But not now. First, do the eyes. It's done, Mai. Now let's make the nose. A triangle nose. Not triangle, triangle. Oh yeah, an upside down triangle. Yes, and we have to make the mouth. Now we have to make the whiskers when we're done with the nose and the mouth. Okay, I think it's gonna be so beautiful. Yes, mine is gonna be cuter than yours. My. Now let's make the ears. Okay, sis. I'm almost done. Only the last ear. Sis, check. I'm doing good. I think so. Let you finish, then I'm gonna see it. Sis, not like this. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Let me erase it. Okay. Do it quickly. Now, sis, I'm only gonna help you only with this ear. Then the other ear, you're gonna do it by yourself. Okay. Sis, you have to make the upside little bit curved and the downside thick. Alright? Alright, sis. So friends, if you have a little brother or sister, you have to help them. I love bunnies because they're so soft and cuddly. I love carrots, it's so crunchy. Now, let's draw the whiskers. The mustaches? Not mustaches, whiskers. Oh, alright, whiskers. I didn't know. Sis, I'm done to draw the whiskers. Are you done? Yes. Okay, now we're gonna add some details in our carrot so it looks real. And after adding the details, we are gonna put some small circles underneath the carrot. Like he's grinding the carrot. Yes, sis. Let's start our curling and tracing. Till then we are doing it. Let's sing a bunny poem together. Now let's start. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bumping them on the head. Down came a good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and bumping them on the head. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bumping them on the head. Down came a good fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and bumping them on the head. Hey, it's so much fun! Friends, if you know any poem about a bunny, tell me in the comments. So friends, we're done with our drawing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Now, thanks for watching our video. See you next time. Bye!